Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Forte. If you're looking for a trendy and feature-laden compact sedan, the Kia Forte is for you. It offers an exceptional combination of innovative design, high-quality engineering, and outstanding value. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: premium wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, daytime running lights, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, remote trunk release, power sunroof, backup camera, auxiliary audio input. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.